DockerAI has just been released, and it's shaking things up in the world of AI software. In this review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about DockerAI to help you understand if it's the right tool for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of its strengths, potential drawbacks, and how it stacks up in the crowded AI space. And yes, you can try DockerAI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. DockerAI is a powerful next-gen AI tool that's designed for businesses looking to streamline their operations, automate workflows, and integrate AI more seamlessly into their digital strategies. It's already generating buzz because it combines a high level of customization with an intuitive interface, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. First off, DockerAI's key feature is its exceptional adaptability. Unlike other AI solutions, DockerAI allows you to fine-tune its machine learning models based on your specific business needs. Whether you're in marketing, customer support, or data analysis, DockerAI can be trained to perform tasks that suit your exact workflow. The flexibility here is a game changer, especially for businesses that need tailored AI solutions without spending a fortune. Another standout feature is DockerAI's integration capabilities. It easily connects with a range of third-party apps and tools, including CRM systems, email platforms, and even social media management software. This makes it incredibly versatile, as you can plug DockerAI directly into your existing tech stack and see immediate benefits without needing to overhaul your entire system. One of the most exciting things about DockerAI is its scalability. Whether you're a small business just starting to explore AI or a large enterprise with complex needs, DockerAI grows with you. Its scalable pricing model ensures that you're only paying for what you use, and as your business expands, DockerAI can scale up seamlessly without disrupting your workflows. Now let's talk about user experience. DockerAI's interface is clean, modern, and intuitive. You don't need a deep background in AI or data science to start using it effectively. The dashboard is easy to navigate, and there are plenty of tutorials and support materials available to help you get up and running quickly. While DockerAI shines in many areas, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like any AI tool, it does require some time to fully understand its potential. The learning curve can be steep for those who are new to AI or automation, but the investment is worth it in the long run. The team behind DockerAI offers excellent customer support, so if you run into any issues, they're quick to assist. Security is another consideration. DockerAI takes data privacy seriously and offers encryption and other advanced security features to protect your business information. Still, like any new software, it's important to ensure that it fits within your company's security protocols. Lastly, DockerAI's pricing is competitive, but it may not be the cheapest option available. However, when you consider the level of customization, scalability, and support that comes with it, the value becomes clear, especially for businesses that need more than just a one-size-fits-all solution. In conclusion, DockerAI is a solid option for businesses looking to leverage AI to automate tasks, integrate with existing tools, and scale without breaking the bank. It's versatile, secure, and user-friendly, making it a great choice for both newcomers and seasoned digital marketers. If you want to see if DockerAI is right for you, check out the free trial linked in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my top recommended software in the description as well. You can try them for free and find the best fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.